everyone. We're so glad you could join us today. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really makes a difference for us. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. We're here to help you practice simple, real English in a fun way. If you enjoy learning with us, please click like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more videos for you.
Yes, thank you so much. Today, we're talking about something super useful.
That's right, daily life, the little things we do every single day. We'll use easy English and short sentences, perfect for practice.
So let's jump in. Marco, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing really well, thanks. And you?
Fantastic. I had a lovely morning.
Oh yeah? What did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up at 7.
7? That's early for a Saturday.
I know, but the sun was so bright coming through my window, so I got out of bed and made myself a big cup of coffee.
Coffee is essential.
Absolutely essential. Then I read my book for half an hour. It was quiet and peaceful. What about you? Did you sleep well?
Oh yes, I slept like a baby. I woke up at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock? That's a long sleep.
It was wonderful. I even dreamed about pizza.
You dreamed about pizza?
A huge, delicious pizza with cheese and mushrooms. A very happy dream.
You're hilarious. Are you hungry now?
A little. Maybe we can talk about food later.
Good idea. Now let's focus on daily life. A normal day. For me, a normal day starts early. Tell me about your morning routine. What's the first thing you do?
First, my alarm goes off. The sound is loud and annoying. I turn it off quickly. I really hate that noise.
Nobody likes the alarm clock. It's the worst sound in the world.
True. After that, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I splash cold water on my face.
Cold water? That wakes you up fast.
It wakes me up completely. Then I brush my teeth. Brushing is very important to me.
Absolutely. Everyone should brush every morning. Then what?
After brushing, I get dressed. Choosing clothes is sometimes hard. I look at my shirts and think, what should I wear today?
Not me. I wear the same thing every day. Jeans and a black t-shirt. Easy and simple.
Yes, you always wear a black t-shirt.
I have 7 black t-shirts, 1 for each day. I don't want to think about clothes.
That's smart. After dressing, I make breakfast. Usually toast, fruit, and of course, coffee.
I eat cereal with milk. It's fast. If I have extra time, I make eggs.
Do you leave your house for work?
Yes, I leave my apartment at 8:15. I walk to the bus stop. Only 5 minutes.
You take the bus every day?
Yes, the number 42 bus. Sometimes it's slow, so I listen to music while I wait.
What kind of music?
Calm music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. I like hearing people talk about history. It's interesting.
That sounds nice. I work from home, so after breakfast, I go to my desk, turn on my computer, and start working.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, sometimes online meetings. I talk to my colleagues on the computer.
Colleagues, the people you work with.
Exactly. At my job, we have a meeting every Monday at 10 o'clock. My work is different from yours. You work in a small shop, right?
Yes, I talk to customers all day.
Do you like talking to customers?
Most of the time, yes. They're friendly. I help them find what they need. But sometimes they ask difficult questions.
Like what?
For example, where is the blue shirt with stars? But we don't have a blue shirt with stars.
Oh no. What do you say?
I say, I'm sorry, we don't have that shirt, but we have a green shirt with flowers.
That's good. You're helpful.
Thank you. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I bring food from home. Today I have a sandwich, an apple, and a cookie.
I'll make a salad. I usually eat lunch at my desk. It's not very nice. I should go outside.
Yes, you should. Sunlight is good for you.
After lunch, I work more. The afternoon is sometimes quiet.
For me, the afternoon is busy. I write many emails, so many emails. I finish work at 5, then go home. I'm tired.
Me too. After work, I like to relax. I drink tea. Yesterday, I cooked pasta. Easy and fast.
Yes, it was delicious. Sometimes we cook together. That's fun. But sometimes you talk too much and the food burns.
That happened one time. One time only.
Okay.
After dinner, we wash the dishes. We take turns. I wash, you dry. Or you wash, I dry.
Then we have free time. In the evening, I like to read the news on my phone.
I like to call my family. My sister lives in another city. We talk every week.
That's nice. I sometimes play the guitar in the evening.
You play very well.
Not very well, but thank you. Before I sleep, I always read a book. A real book, not my phone.
That's a good habit. I watch a little TV, then brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and go to bed.
And you fall asleep immediately, in 2 minutes. I'm a good sleeper.
You take a long time to fall asleep.
Yes, I think about my day, about tomorrow. My brain is busy.
You should count sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep.
I count pizzas. 1 pizza, 2 pizzas.
Let's talk about weekends. Is your weekend different?
Oh yes, very different. On Saturday, I wake up late, maybe 9 or 10. No alarm clock.
No alarm clock. That's wonderful.
Then I make a big breakfast, maybe pancakes. I like to go to the market on Saturday morning. I buy fresh fruit and vegetables.
Do you go with friends?
Sometimes yes, sometimes alone. I listen to music and walk slowly. I don't hurry. On Saturday afternoon, I often clean my apartment.
Me too. We clean together. I clean the bathroom, you clean the kitchen, and we listen to loud music. It makes cleaning fun.
What about exercise? Do you exercise?
I try. On Sunday morning, I sometimes go for a short run.
I prefer yoga. I do yoga at home. It helps me relax.
On Sunday, we often do something fun, visit friends or see a movie.
Yes, last Sunday we had dinner with Tom and Anna. That was fun. We talked for 3 hours.
Or sometimes we just stay home, read books, or watch a film. It's quiet. I like those quiet days too.
What about housework, the boring things?
Yes. Washing clothes. I do laundry on Sunday. I put the clothes in the washing machine.
And you forget to take them out.
Then you take them out and hang them to dry. Thank you. You're the best.
What about grocery shopping?
We go to the supermarket every Friday after work. We make a list. If we don't make a list, we forget things.
Yes, and sometimes we buy things we don't need, like chocolate.
We always need chocolate.
Okay, that's true.
Let's talk about the weather. Weather affects my day.
How?
If it rains, I feel a little sad. I stay inside and drink more tea.
If it rains, I take an umbrella, but I often forget my umbrella.
Yes, you do. If the sun is shining, I open all the windows. I feel happy. Sunny days are good for walking. After work, I like to walk in the park.
Do you ever feel bored with your routine? The same thing every day?
Sometimes, yes. So I change small things. Take a different bus or eat something different for lunch.
Good idea. I sometimes work in a cafe for one afternoon. It's a nice change.
Do you have any bad habits in your daily life?
I check my phone too much. That's a bad habit.
Me too. And sometimes I go to bed too late. I watch one video, then one more.
We should change that. Let's promise to sleep earlier.
Okay, promise.
What's the best part of your day?
The best part? Evening after dinner, when we talk and there's no work.
For me, the best part is morning coffee. The first coffee is perfect.
What's the most difficult part of your day?
Getting out of bed. Always getting out of bed.
For me, it's starting work. The first email is difficult. After that, it's okay.
Do you think our daily life is exciting?
Not exciting, but it's comfortable. It's happy. Simple things make a good life.
I agree. A good coffee, a good meal, time with you. That's a good day.
Let's repeat some important phrases for our friends. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I cook dinner. But be careful, don't burn it.
I clean the house.
I clean the house.
On weekdays, I go to bed. Good night.
On weekends, I wake up late. The best phrase.
Now let's talk about useful words from our conversation. Words we use every day.
Good idea. First word, routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. A routine is the things you do every day, usually in the same order. For example, my morning routine. Wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast.
Do you have a strict routine, Erica?
I try. My work routine is the same from 9 to 5, but my weekend routine is different.
Right. Next word, colleagues. The people you work with. My friend Tom is a teacher. His colleagues are other teachers.
Another word for colleagues is coworkers. You can say, I have lunch with my colleagues.
Do you like your colleagues, Erica?
Yes, they're very nice and helpful. But I work in a shop alone, so I don't have colleagues.
Next word, customer. A customer is a person who buys something from a shop. In my shop, many customers come every day. I say, hello, how can I help you?
You are a customer when you go to a supermarket or a cafe. Viewers, when are you a customer?
Word 4, relax. To relax means to rest, to be calm, to not work or worry. After a long day, I want to relax on the sofa.
How do you relax, Marco?
I relax by listening to music. Sometimes doing nothing at all is the best way to relax.
Yes, it's important to relax every day.
Last word, habit. A habit is something you do often, almost without thinking. A good habit is brushing your teeth twice a day. A bad habit is checking your phone too much.
That's my bad habit. I also go to bed too late. Not good. We try to change bad habits and make good habits. Do you have a good habit, Marco?
My good habit is making my bed every morning. It's a small thing, but a good start to the day.
That's a very good habit. Let's repeat all the words. Ready? Routine. I have a morning routine.
Colleagues. I talk to my colleagues.
Customer. The customer buys bread.
Relax. I relax in the evening.
Habit. It's a good habit.
Perfect. Try to use one new word this week. For example, my daily routine is simple. Or, I need to relax.
Great advice. Now let's finish our conversation. We talked for a long time today.
Yes, but it was fun. The topic was daily life. We used the simple present tense a lot. Verbs like wake up, eat, work, go, sleep. This tense is for habits and things we do regularly.
We also talked about weekdays versus weekends. On weekdays, we work. On weekends, we relax, clean, and see friends.
And we learned 5 important words: routine, colleagues, customer, relax, habit.
That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing and have a good day.
Bye, everyone. Happy practicing and happy relaxing.
The goal is to help you feel confident talking about your own day. Describe your day to a friend or write it in a journal. Even simple sentences are perfect. I get up, I drink coffee, I go to school.
Exactly. Short and clear is best. Now it's your turn to practice. Today's question: what is one thing you do every day? It can be anything. Every day I drink tea. Or every day I walk my dog. Or every day I check my phone too many times. Be honest. Please tell us in the comments below.
We read every comment. Seriously, we do. We love to see your answers. And when you write, you're practicing your English writing too.
If you have questions about today's lesson, ask in the comments. We or other friendly learners can help. This is a community.
Before we go, any final advice, Marco?
Yes. Listen to English a little every day. Even 5 minutes is good. Watch our videos, listen to a song, or watch a short film. And don't be afraid to speak. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, "Today is a good day." No one will hear you.
That's a great idea. I used to do that too. Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. You're doing something wonderful for yourself. Learning a language is a journey. Be patient and kind to yourself.
We're here to help, so please like this video if it helped you and subscribe to Talks Data for more simple English conversations. Click the bell so you don't miss the next video.
Next time, we'll talk about another useful topic, maybe hobbies or food.
Food is good. I like food.
We know you do, Marco. We know you do. Until next time, keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Before we truly say goodbye, let's do a quick bonus practice. Marco, can you walk us through one more short daily routine, but this time using only present simple questions?
Sure. Listeners, repeat after me in your head or out loud. Question 1. What time do you wake up? Answer, I wake up at 7. Question 2. Do you eat breakfast? Answer, yes, I eat breakfast every day. No, I don't eat breakfast. Question 3. Where do you work? Answer, I work in an office. From home, in a shop. Question 4. What do you do after work? Answer, I cook dinner, then I watch TV. Question 5. Do you exercise? Answer, yes, I run on Sundays. No, I don't exercise. Great job. Those 5 questions can help you talk about almost any day.
Excellent. Now, let's give you 3 more useful phrases for daily life. First, I'm in a hurry. That means you don't have much time. Example, I'm in a hurry this morning, so I only drink coffee. Second, I take a break. Example, at 3 o'clock, I take a 15-minute break. Third, I'm done for the day. That means you finish work or all your tasks. Example, after I clean the kitchen, I'm done for the day.
Those are gold. Also, let's talk about frequency words. Words that tell how often you do something. Always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never. For example, I always brush my teeth. I usually drink coffee. I sometimes work late. I rarely eat fast food. I never skip breakfast. You can put these before the main verb. Try making your own sentence with sometimes. For example, I sometimes call my mother in the evening.
Wonderful. Now, a small challenge for everyone watching. For the next 3 days, write down 3 sentences about your day before you go to sleep. Day 1. Today I woke up at time. I ate food. I felt happy, tired, okay. Day 2. Today I talked to someone. I went to place. I learned something. Day 3. Today I enjoyed one thing. I had a problem with something. Tomorrow I want to do something. This is a powerful way to improve your English and also notice your life.
And remember, mistakes are not failures. They are steps. Every time you say, I good, instead of I went, you are still trying. That's brave. Keep going.
One last fun thing. Let's teach you a simple English idiom about daily life. The early bird catches the worm. That means people who wake up early or start early have more success. Do you agree? I'm not an early bird on weekends, but on weekdays I am.
I'm more of a night owl, someone who stays up late. But both are fine. The important thing is to find your own rhythm.
We really appreciate you spending your time with us today. Learning a language takes patience, but you are doing it. You watched this whole video? That's a big step. If you made it to this point, give yourself a clap. Seriously, clap once for yourself. You deserve it. Now, go out there or stay home and use your English. Describe your morning to your pet, your plant, or your mirror. Every little bit helps. Thanks again from both of us. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, be kind to yourself, and keep smiling. Bye for real this time. Bye.